Hey guys, so here's the bag so far. Alright guys, it's about time I finish up this bag, so I'm going to show you how to do some superhero handprints.
The first one I'm going to do is a footprint of Iron Man. As you can see, I painted the bottom of my son's foot red, yellow, and then again red at the heel. I'm going to go ahead and take my puffy 3D paint and I'm going to use this to color in the eyes. I'm going to take my time here because I like to shape them as well as I can get them. And then keep in mind that when it dries, that it will dry a little flatter, so it's not going to be as puffy as you see it when I'm applying. Next, I'm going to come in with my puffy 3D black paint and I'm going to use this to draw on the armor of him. There's no really set pattern, I'm just going to kind of wing it. Alright, let's take my white and let's go ahead and add that little circle thing he's got on his chest and finish up the armor. My favorite part is outlining things in black. It really makes them pop. Sorry, I did not get the eyes. Alright, next up is Hulk. Let's go ahead and make his eyeballs with some white puffy paint. Next up, we're going to do his hair, which is a little wild, so we're going to make it look a little messy. Next, we're going to do his eyebrows. We're going to make those look a little hairy and crazy. Now we're going to go ahead and make his mouth, fill that in with white. Add his cute little nose. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in the eyeballs with a black little dot. I'm sorry, my camera was not zoomed in on that part. And let's go ahead and outline his mouth. Next up, we're going to do Spider-Man. So for his eyes, I'm going to use my white paint and go ahead and make kind of like half ovals, I guess you could say. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the little spider webs inside of him. And let's see how this turns out. Not too bad. Next up is Batman. I'm going to go ahead and make both of his eyes with my white paint and I'm going to make them kind of a triangular shape. This fabric paint color is really old, so just bear with me. I'm going to make it work. Next, we're going to do his logo with some yellow fabric paint, and then I'm going to go ahead and make the little bat logo inside of him here soon. But first, let's go ahead and make his ears. For his cape, I'm going to just make these little lines that looks like his cape is flying behind him. Time for the fun part. Even though this doesn't really look like a bat, I tried my best here and it's very small details, so. Let's go ahead and make a little smile on him. Let me know which one is your favorite handprint. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.